home. I am sitting here in the classroom with all of your lovely face-to-face friends. Say hello, friends. Hi. And we are getting ready to do today's math lesson. So at home, you should have out your math book. It looks like this. And if you open up to page 45, we are going to begin lesson 2-2. And I am going to put it here on the screen for you. And I'm actually going to walk over to the screen, so you won't see me here for a minute, but you will see my marks on the screen because I want to walk you through this solving addition word problems. So you know that we have been working on addition, and we know that addition is when we take two numbers and we bring them together. Okay? Yesterday we learned that sometimes there can be more than two numbers. In fact, yesterday we looked at situations where we had three numbers and we practiced grouping them and then adding. So today we're going to continue that. So if we look here on page 45, up at the top, it says, Lucy finds 2 seashells. I would love it if you would all circle 2 seashells. Okay? And it says her sister finds 1 seashell. So circle 1 seashell. Her friend finds 5 seashells. So circle 5 seashells. Now we underline the question so we understand what they're asking. So the question says, how many seashells do they find in all? So we're trying to solve a problem using this 2, this 5, and this 1. So our numbers here are Lucy has 2, plus her sister finds 1, plus her friend finds 5. We're trying to find out all together how many seashells there are. So the first thing that we're going to do is choose 2 numbers to group together. And then that will tell us the last 2 numbers we have to add up. So what 2 numbers would you like to add together? Jacob? The 2 and the 1. So we're going to take the 2 and the 1 here, so Lucy and her sister, and figure out what that equals first. So what is 2 plus 1, Ava June? 2 plus 1. You counted 8 with your fingers because you counted up all 3 numbers, but I didn't ask what all 3 numbers were. I asked right here, the 2 plus the 1, 3. There you go. So we've got 2 plus 1 is 3. Now, Ava June, we take this plus 5 right here, and we bring it down, so we have 3 plus 5. Now, she counted with her fingers, and Ava June, what did you say 3 plus 5 equals? 8. So if 3 plus 5 is 8, then 2 plus 1 plus 5 has to be 8. And that's what they're showing us right here. They used blocks, 2 blocks plus 1 more block, and they grouped them together to make 3. And then they counted on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they find 8 seashells in all. Down here at the bottom, they have worked through a problem for you. They've already plugged in the numbers, so we can just look at that quickly. It says Lee pops 4 balloons, Emma pops 2 balloons, and Louise pops 3 balloons. So their numbers here were 4 balloons plus 2 balloons plus 3 balloons. Go ahead and write or trace those in. How many do they pop in all? Well, we figure out if we take 4 plus 2, that would be 6, and then 6 plus 3, that would give us what, Lily? 9, and they show that here, so they pop 9 balloons in all. All right, excellent. Let me get my ink cleared away here, and my ink cleared away here, and let's move on down now to the practice problems. In your book, it's on the next page, so you'll have to turn the page. Okay? I am going to go sit down at my desk now for the rest of these. It says you can use cubes or draw a picture to check your answer. I will be drawing those pictures for you on my whiteboard, okay? I promise I'm still here, friends at home. I know you didn't see me for a minute, but you did see my markings, so you know that I was still there. All right, so number 2 here says, Terry saw one birdie. Those are little birdies, right? So circle one birdie. It says Stan saw one birdie. So circle one birdie. And then it says Marty saw 2 birdies. So circle 2 birdies. Now we can underline the question, how many birdies did they see in all? So now, you don't have to write anything. I just want you to look up here at my board and look at what I'm writing, okay? How many did Terry see? 1. How many did Stan see? 1. And how many did Marty see? 2. Excellent. So our numbers, or our add-ins for this equation, are 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals. Now, let's solve. Which 2 numbers would you like me to bring together first? Emily? Both of the 1s. So if I bring my 1s together first, Emily, what is 1 plus 1? 2. So now if I bring down this 2 plus 2, what is 2 plus 2, everyone? 4. So 1 birdie plus 1 birdie plus 2 birdie equals 4 birdies. So right here they saw 4 birdies in all. All right, let's take a look now at number 3. I'm going to erase this equation and get ready for number 3. Number 3 says, Sal has 4 blue fish. Circle 4 blue fish, and I'm going to write down 4 blue fish. And 2 red fish. Circle 2 red fish. I'm going to circle write down 2 red fish, sorry. He also has 2 goldfish. So circle 2 goldfish, and I'm going to write down 2 goldfish. So here we have 4 blue fish plus 2 red fish plus 2 goldfish. And our question to underline says, how many fish does Sal have in all? So let's add these up to find out how many fish he has total. What 2 numbers would you like me to bring together first? Connor? You want to do the 4 and the 2 first?
No, actually the 2 plus 2.
Oh, he says he wants to do the 2 plus 2 first because we know 2 plus 2 is easy. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now I have this 4 plus to bring down. Now I have another, look, it was a doubles, 2 plus 2, and now I have another doubles, 4 plus 4. And everyone, what is 4 plus 4? 8. So 4 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. And if you're writing your answer in your book, Sal has 8 fish in all. You should write an 8 on the line. All right, let's go down now to the problem solving. Okay, the problem solving page says Paul picks 2 green, are those leaves? Paul picks 2 green leaves. I'm going to write down a 2, you circle it. Kim picks 3 green leaves. Okay, so Kim picks 3, I'm going to write that down. It says Rob picks 1 more than Kim. So Rob doesn't pick 1, he picks 1 more than Kim. Well, Kim had 3, right? Kim had 3, so what's 1 more than 3? Brooklyn? 4. So Rob had 4, or picked 4. So now it says how many leaves do they pick in all? So it told us Paul picked 2. We'll add that to the 3 that Kim picked. And then Brooklyn told us that Rob picked 4 because it said he picked 1 more than this 3, and 1 more than 3 is 4. So now I'm adding 2 plus 3 plus 4. Which 2 would you like to bring together first, Johnny? 2 plus 3. So we're going to bring together the 2 and the 3 first. And Johnny, what is 2 plus 3? 5. Excellent. Now I have this plus 4 here. I can't forget to use, so I'll bring it down. So 5 plus 4. What is 5 plus 4, Ava June?
6.
Oh, if I have 5, Okay, 5 fingers. Whee! And I add 4 more. 6, 7, 8, 9. There it is. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 9. And on the line, you can write they pick up 9 in all. All right, looking down here, it says tell an addition story to go with the addition equation. So the equation that they have there for us is 3 plus 2 plus 5 equals 10. Now, you don't have to write it down, but can anybody think of a word problem that could go with those numbers? Go ahead, Connor.
2 plus 5.
Oh, no. I want a word problem. Like, Ava June was baking cookies. She baked 3 chocolate chip cookies, 2 oatmeal cookies, and 5 peanut butter cookies. How many cookies did she bake in all?
10.
Okay, can somebody else come up with a different word problem? Go ahead, Austin. Nice and loud so our friends at home can hear too.
For breakfast, he baked 3 pancakes.
For breakfast, he baked 3 pancakes,
He wanted to bake some bake,
2 pieces of bacon,
and then you decided that you might be a little bit more hungry, so you make some 5 pieces of egg.
5 eggs. So he had, for breakfast, he had 3 pancakes, 2 pieces of bacon, and 5 eggs. How many pieces of food did he have all together for breakfast, everyone? 10. Great word problem. That was very nice. So you don't have to write it down, but just think of a word problem. Okay? I'm going to stop this video here, boys and girls at home, and I'm going to allow you to work on the next 2 pages on your own. Get some practice. Okay? Remember to circle the numbers as you read the problems. That will help you know what your add-ins are. And if you underline the question, that will help you know what they're asking or what you're trying to figure out. Okay? So right now, friends in the classroom are going to take some time to do these problems in their books, and you can take some time to do them at home. And I think that you're doing quite well with this 3-part addition. Bye, friends at home.